Hi everyone. Today I'm participating in an open collaboration with Anna from Cooking the Books hosting. The collaboration is hashtag letsfonduethis. And as you probably guessed, we are asked to make a fondue. So today I'm going to be making a pizza fondue. What all goes into the pizza fondue? 29-ounce spaghetti sauce. This is only 24 ounces. I could not find 29 ounces anywhere. 2 teaspoons oregano leaves. 1/4 teaspoon garlic salt. 1 teaspoon granulated onion. I'm using minced onion. 1/4 cup grated Parmesan cheese. 8 ounces of mozzarella cheese. 1 loaf Italian bread cut into 1-inch cubes. This is French bread, or you could use pretzel balls, and I think I'm going to be using a little bit of both. So let's begin. So take a big pot. I don't have a fondue pot, so I'm going to be making it in this, and then I'm going to be transferring it to a small crock pot, which I can keep on warm. Add your spaghetti sauce. My spaghetti sauce is tomato, basil, garlic. I figured that sounded kind of pizza-like. And again, I only had 24 ounces. Turn your heat on to medium. Then add your 1/4 teaspoon of garlic salt, your 1 teaspoon of granulated onion, and mine is minced, 2 teaspoons of oregano leaves, and mix that well. With these added spices, and with the spices already in there, it's going to be perfect. Then add your 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese and mix that in well. Then add your 8 ounces of mozzarella cheese. Mix that in well. Then cover your pot. Stir occasionally until the cheese is melted and everything is warmed through. So it looks like it's heated through, the cheese is melted. I'm going to transfer this into my crock of my little crock pot. I have the pizza fondue in the crock pot, and I've got bread cubes and pizza balls, and we'll let Dave do a taste test.
This tastes kind of like pizza or something.
It's pizza fondue.
Oh, well, maybe that's why it tastes like pizza.
Does your twin like it?
He hasn't complained about it yet, and it looks like he's smiling, so it's not his eyeball, is it?
Could be.
Okay, just in case. I never know what it's gonna be, when you don't. Surprise! Eat that. Okay, all right, here we go. Yep, I like it.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.